Transform your living space with our selection of home improvement tools. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or simply looking to tackle a few projects around the house, these essential tools will empower you to enhance your living environment. From versatile power tools to handy measuring instruments, we've curated a collection of must-have equipment that will make your home improvement endeavors easier, more efficient, and more satisfying. Get ready to unleash your creativity and give your home a fresh new look with these indispensable home improvement tools. Discover the power and versatility of DeWalt's 20V Max tool lineup. Designed for professional-grade performance, these cordless tools offer exceptional power and durability. With a wide range of options available, from drills and impact drivers to saws and grinders, DeWalt's 20V Max tools are engineered to tackle any task with ease. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or a DIY enthusiast, trust DeWalt to deliver reliable and high-performing tools for all your projects. The SHENHAOXU 3.6B cordless electric screwdriver is the perfect tool for everyday household tasks and small DIY projects. With its compact and lightweight design, this screwdriver is easy to maneuver and use in tight spaces. The cordless feature offers convenience and flexibility, allowing you to work without the hassle of cords or finding an outlet. With its reliable power and multiple screwdriver bits, the SHENHAOXU electric screwdriver is a handy tool to have around the house. Experience versatility and precision with the DeWalt 20V Max XR oscillating multi-tool. This oscillating tool is designed to handle a wide range of applications, from cutting and sanding to scraping and grinding. With its brushless motor technology, it delivers exceptional power and runtime. The tool-free accessory change system allows for quick and easy blade changes, saving you time and effort. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, the DeWalt 20V Max XR oscillating multi-tool is a valuable addition to your toolbox. Simplify your construction and renovation projects with the Zircon Multi-Scanner, a 250C all-in-one stud finder / metal detector / live AC wire detection and scanner. This versatile tool combines multiple functions into one compact device. It can accurately locate studs, detect metal objects, and identify live AC wires behind walls. With its easy-to-read LCD screen and ergonomic design, the Zircon Multi-Scanner, a 250 key, provides reliable and efficient scanning capabilities, making it an essential tool for any handyman or DIY enthusiast. Achieve precise and accurate leveling with the Bosch GLO 5550 feet cross-line laser level. This self-leveling tool offers a bright and clear laser line for easy alignment and leveling tasks. The VisiMax technology ensures maximum visibility without sacrificing battery life. With the included L-bracket adjustable mount and hard carrying case, the Bosch GLO 55 provides convenience and protection during transport and storage. Whether you're installing cabinets, hanging shelves, or aligning tiles, this laser level is a reliable and efficient tool to have in your arsenal. Achieve smooth and flawless finishes with the Bosch Roast 20 VSC Palm Sander. This corded variable speed random orbital sander / polisher kit is designed for optimal performance and comfort. The 2.5 amp motor provides ample power for fast material removal, while the variable speed control allows for customized sanding or polishing. The included dust collector and soft carrying bag add convenience and cleanliness to your work. Whether you're refinishing furniture, prepping surfaces, or removing paint, the Bosch Roast 20 BSC Palm Sander is a versatile and reliable tool for achieving professional results. With these essential instruments at your disposal, you can take on any project and make your home truly shine. From power drills and paint sprayers to tape measures and versatile toolkits, these tools will empower you to bring your vision to life. So roll up your sleeves, dive into the world of DIY, and watch as your home transforms into a reflection of your style and craftsmanship. Happy home improvement!